Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Yext AI features with Yext step by step clearly. To reset Yext AI features, begin by logging into your Yext account. Navigate to the dashboard once you are logged in. Locate the products menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Yext AI from the drop-down options. Within the Yext AI section, look for the settings icon located in the top right corner. Click on the settings icon to open the configuration options. In the settings menu, find the AI features tab and select it. Scroll down to locate the Reset AI features option. Click on Reset AI features to proceed with the reset action. A confirmation dialog will appear on your screen. Review the information presented in the confirmation dialog. If you are ready to proceed, click on the Confirm button. The system will automatically reset all Yext AI features. Once the reset is complete, a success message will be displayed. Review any changes made to ensure everything is set to your preference. Make sure to configure any settings as needed after the reset. You are now ready to use the newly reset Yext AI features effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.